Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to add audio spectrum in Capcut PC. So let's begin. First of all, you need to drag down your audio file or video file to the timeline of Capcut. Then here, you need to click on stickers, and in stickers, you need to search for audio spectrum. Here you can see that a lot of spectrums here. You can choose as you want. I want to add this spectrum to the this video. So simply I scroll down, I drag down this to the video, and in this way you can also add audio spectrum in CapCut PC. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Bye.